Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a ABC ID for a student using his driving license. So this is the website you are supposed to go, abc.gov.in. Once you go, this is the homepage you will see. So right hand side you click on this login register and click on student. Okay, once you click on student, it will ask you, do you have DigiLocker account? Suppose I'm assuming you don't have, so let's click below new user sign in. Okay, so once you click on new user sign in, they'll ask you your mobile number. So let me put mobile number and generate OTP. So now OTP will come 5461. So I have received the OTP. I will verify the OTP and OTP has been verified. Now I have to select the identity type. And here you can choose PAN, driving license or Aadhaar. So let me choose driving license. Now we have to put the driving license number here and full name also. So I have provided all the details, his phone number, driving license number, name, date of birth, gender. I created a new username for him and password and I confirm. Now let me consent to the terms and verify. I have clicked verify. So it is accepting. So now we are done. So this page will come and you have to accept everything. Just allow. And redirecting back to the requester, and we have to now give few details and everything is done. Let me select identity type as college roll number. Identity value, I have to write the college roll number. See here you can choose many other things, registration number, enrollment number, new admission or none also. Okay, so since this boy already has a college roll number, let me put the roll number. So I put his roll number. The next thing is I am a student at. So this you have to give your university name. So for this fellow it is Northeastern. No? So North, if I put dash then the, so you have to click the Northeastern Hill University. I'm supposed to be able to type, but some issue is there. I do not know why. But let me select by searching. Of course, it is a little difficult process if you have to search like this, but nevertheless, you have to select. So Northeastern Hill University. So I have given roll number, then roll number value, then admission year is 2025, and kid is from the Northeastern Hill University. I simply have to click now submit, and the job will be done. So this is his APAR ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 digit number. It's just like Aadhaar only, but this is related with your ABC or APAR ID. Okay, so when your college or university asks for this number, kindly give this number. Let me go to dashboard and let's see how so they are not giving the photo right now, I guess. So this is your ABC ID. Just you need to remember the number. Just remember the number and that's it. Okay, your ABC ID has been, this boy's ABC ID has been created. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, you can always comment and I will try to get back. Thank you.